Hello everyone, today we will write exercises of chapter number 1 sentences. Yesterday we have studied about sentence. Sentence means what? A group of words when arranged in a meaningful order that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Sentence means what? The group of words, when arranged in meaningful order that makes complete sense, is called a sentence. Okay, and we studied about four kinds of sentences. Okay, yesterday we have studied four kinds of sentences. First is assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that makes a statement or declares something is called an assertive sentence. Okay. Assertive or declarative sentence are of two kinds. First, positive sentence. A sentence that tells something is called a positive sentence. And B is negative sentence. A sentence which has no, not or never is called a negative sentence. ओके सो जो असर्टिव सेंटेंस होता है उसे डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस भी बोलते हैं. असर्टिव और डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस के दो प्रकार होते हैं, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके देन सेकेंड काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इज imperative sentence. Second kind of sentence is imperative sentence. A sentence that express a command or a request is called an imperative sentence. Okay. Then third kinds of sentence is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Okay. It ends with a question mark. Then fourth is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. So yesterday we have studied about sentence. A sentence means what? The group of words when arranged in a meaningful order and make complete sense is called a sentence. Okay. Then we have studied about four kinds of sentence. First is assertive or declarative sentence. Second is imperative sentence, and third is interrogative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now today we will solve exercise of this lesson. So exercise A is rearrange the words given below to form meaningful sentences. Students, in this exercise some group of words are given in the book. Okay, and we have to arrange the given words in a meaningful order. Okay, to form a meaningful sentence. Okay, and we have to keep remember two things, that begin with capital letters and we have to add the sentence with suitable punctuation marks. Okay, the first letter of the sentence should be capital letter. Okay, and the sentence will end with a punctuation mark, full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. Okay, so now first group of word is the shines, sun, sky, the in. Okay, you can see in your book on page number 2. Okay, exercise A, first group of words are the shines, sun, sky, the in. Okay, so there is no meaning of this group of word. So what we have to do? We have to arrange these group of words in a meaningful order. Okay, and the correct order of the sentence is, first we have to write subject, then verb, and then other word. Okay, when we write any sentence, Subject means about whom we are talking. Okay, about whom we are talking. Sentence जब हम लिखते हैं तो उसमें सबसे पहले हम सब्जेक्ट लिखते हैं. सब्जेक्ट मीन्स सेंटेंस में जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. ओके, जिस किसी के बारे में बात हो रही है उसको बोलते हैं सब्जेक्ट. ओके, देन आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट वी हैव टू राइट वर्ब. वर्ब मीन्स एक्शन वर्ड. ओके, verb tells us action. Verb tells us action. Okay, verb means action word. Then after verb we have to write other words. Okay, so see in first group of words, the shines, sun, sky, the in. So here the subject is the sun. The subject is the sun. So we will write T capital because T is the first letter of the sentence. The sun. The sun के बारे में बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. The sun and next the sun is subject. Next we will write verb and verb is shines. The sun shines in the sky. Then we will write other word. Full stop. Okay. So this is sentence. Why? Because words are arranged in a proper, in a meaningful order. The sun shines in the sky. And full stop. Okay. So first letter is capital and it ends with full stop and we are getting meaning by this sentence. The sun shines in the sky. Okay. So this is the sentence. Okay. Then second, home go now. Home go now. Now, home go now. Okay, here subject is understood. यहाँ पर subject नहीं दिया हुआ है. So directly we will write verb. Okay, go home now. So we will correctly arrange go home now. Full stop. Okay. Go home now. Here subject is not given, so we will write verb directly. Okay, because here subject is understood. Okay, this sentence is saying something to someone. Go home now. इस sentence, ये जो sentence है क्या बोल रहा है? Go home now, है ना? घर जाने के लिए बता रहा है ये sentence. अगर हमें भी किसी को कोई ऑर्डर देना है, कमांड देना है, तो हम इस प्रकार से कमांड दे सकते हैं. Go home now. Okay. Then third group of word is ice cream and eating a girl. Ice cream and eating a girl. So here subject will be a girl, then is eating an ice cream. A girl is eating an ice cream. Full stop. Okay. A girl is eating an ice cream. Then next fourth group of word is sun, earth, round, the moves, the. Sun, earth, round, the moves, the. So here subject is the sun, then verb is moves. The sun moves round the earth. The sun moves round the earth. Full stop. The sun moves round the earth. The sun moves round the earth. Then fifth, lights festival is the Diwali of. So here the correct order will be Diwali. Diwali is the festival of light. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. Okay, understood? So please write 1 to 5 in your notebook, in your book, sorry. Students, you have to write sentences 1 to 5 from the board in your book by pencil. Students, you have to write anything in your book by pencil only. Okay, so please write sentences 1 to 5 in your book. Write fast. Now, sixth group of words is birds build trees nests in there. So the correct sequence will be birds build their nest in trees. Birds build birds build their nests in trees. Okay, birds build their nest in trees. Then seventh, glass the broke who? Who broke the glass? Here, this is the question because who broke the glass? This sentence is asking something. So that's why we will give question mark at the end. Okay. Then 8. House your is where? House your is where? So the correct order will be where is your house? Full stop. Where is your house? Where is your house? Okay. Then 9. Every day mother my reads Gita the. Every day mother my reads Gita the. So the correct sequence will be my mother reads the Gita every day. My mother reads the Gita every day. Full stop. My mother reads the Gita every day. Okay. Then 10th, water drank I from a glass. So, I drank water. I drank water. I drank water from a glass. I drank water from a glass. Full stop. I drank water from a glass. Understood, students? So like this, we have to arrange. We have arranged the given group of words in a meaningful order. Okay. In this exercise, some group of words were given and we have arranged them in a meaningful order. Okay. So while arranging in a meaningful order, we have to write first subject, then verb, and then other words. Okay. If we arrange given words in a meaningful order, we get meaning. Okay. We get sense. Okay. जब हम words को meaningful order में arrange करते हैं, subject, verb and object means other word इस form में arrange करते हैं, तो उस को हम sentence बोलते हैं और sentence से हमें कुछ मीनिंग कुछ सेंस पता चलता है. ओके. सो एंड while writing sentence we have to write first letter of the sentence in capital. Okay. And in the and At the end of the sentence we give full stop, or when some or question mark. When sentence asks something to us, then we give question mark. Okay, so you have to write sentences from 6 to 10 in your book, and keep in your mind that you have to write same to same from the board. Okay, write capital letter properly and give symbols, punctuation marks, full stop or question mark properly in your book. Okay, write fast. So here our exercise A has completed. Now tomorrow in next period we will solve exercise B and exercise C. Okay, bye.